Hi guys, Q from Electricus Audio Visual. Welcome back to our channel. On this project in Buckinghamshire, we've installed a full electrical system, a smart home automation system, a smart lighting system and a security system. Let's go inside and have a look. In here we've not just got smart lighting, but we've also got colour changing LED, which is tunable white, which means if I move the cursor around here now, we'll be able to change the colours in the room. So you can see that the LED tape is changing according to how I've used it on the screen. So currently we've gone like for a pink colour. If I bring it more to a blue, we'll now transform into blue. And then we can also change it back to white if we want. So basically, in here you can actually tune the lights and create the scenes however we want it to be for the client. They can also edit the scenes themselves from within the app. In the cinema, we actually haven't mounted a projector in there. It's going to be going in this room here, and we've made a cutout in the wall. That's because we don't want the noise of the projector to impact the people's experience within the space. If you've got the space to do that, we'd strongly recommend it, so it adds to a better experience when you're watching a film or movie or sports. So now we're in the cinema room. In this room we fit the Dolby Atmos system, which is a 724. So basically we have 7 channels at this level and 4 channels at that level and 2 subwoofers. One which is here in the corner and one which is in the opposite corner over there, and they've all been hidden behind the fabric because this fabric is acoustically transparent, which means the sound is allowed to penetrate and go through the fabric, so there's no distortion. The reason why we can currently see the grills on the front wall screens because that is where the screen will be going, which means again it's part of the soundstage. How we design our systems, we want the sound to come at you when you're watching a picture. So we're now in the spa. In the spa we've obviously got our smart lighting with some beautiful details to highlight the tiling. We've also got a sauna and steam room, and within this space obviously we have music, as well as in the steam room we also have music as well. So when a client wants to enjoy music while they're relaxing in there, they can. Here we have our AV rack, which is basically the hub of the home, where we've got our network switch, creates connectivity for both the racks. We've got our audio matrix, our amplifiers, our main director, which is a CA10, our EA5, which gives us all of our music streaming, and then we've got audio amplifiers here, which just do the cinema. In the ground floor, we've also got another mini rack, which is purely for network. We've also got security boxes down there for the added element of control over the gates. So we don't connect the gates directly to the door station because that creates a vulnerability for the home. Meaning that if someone opened up that door station, they can't touch wires together to open the gates. Now that's our standard that we do on every job. The relays that control the gates always run internally into the building, and they get controlled by a relay box internally. So if someone took off that door station, they can't open the gates from the door station at all. We've also isolated the door station at the very front of the property, so that even if someone plugged into the data network of the property, they can't get access to the home's network either. Just one of the things that we do as part of a standard for our company. hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.